So we got all the payloads downloaded from the GitHub. Whoa. Is that light? Yeah, so I'll go through all these, but this is the video you want to watch. Payloads Hello World tells you step by step how to do it. And the GitHub page, Hack5 Wi-Fi Pineapple under the user. And then here's all the payloads. Oh, under examples. There you go. There they go. Okay, let's go. Let me back up. Go in example and alert. See what that does. Launch. Hack the planet. Sends an alert. Hack the planet. This is the one from the video. And you go back and you see it says launching. Is this the one? No, this is not the one from the video. That was one from the GitHub. Example, confirmation. Dialogue. Oh, Hello World is the video one. And the confirmation. See what that does. Started confirmation. Yeah, I want to continue. Yeah, my answer was yes. I wanted to continue. So user selected yes. Payload complete. Let's back it up. Go to the next one. Error dialog. Let's see what that does. Danger. That's a danger. Back it up. Payload complete. Alright, let's see. This is the one from the video. Hello World. And it brings up the alert. Hello World. We back it up and it say this is a log line. You'll see that if you follow the video and do it. Alright. Next one is IP picker example. Example of picking the IP. Home. This is a fake one. You can edit it too. Let's go to edit. And just make that a 6. Here. Save. User picked 1.2006. Back it up. Payloads example. Picker log example. The log is hello world. Payload complete. Alright. What's next? The Mac picker example. Target Mac. We're not going to save that. I already did that. User canceled. Mac picker example experience an error during execution. Alright. Payload exited with no error. Alright, let's go back. See what's next. Example. Number picker example. And it just picks up the same random number. We can edit, but we're not going to. Well, let's see what happens. Let me save it so you see. User picked 1337. Payload complete. That's not the password. That's just whatever number, the number that's already. It picked the same one twice. I went through these before. All right. Let's see. Prompt. Press any T. Then press down. Prompt. And that was the prompt, was to press the button. It works. Okay. Example. Spinner. Launch. You're thinking. Hey, started spinner doing work, done, payload complete. Let's back it up. Example. Scroll down. Text picker example. Favorite password, pineapples are yummy. And this was a password that was already typed in the payload. Boom. We did it. Right. Then we got a couple more. Text picker, wait for button press. Press up. Okay, let's press up. User pressed up. Complete. Okay. I think we got one more. Yep. Wait for input example. Press any button. I'll press right. User pressed right. Payload complete. This is cool. I gotta make my own. But those were all the payloads that was on the GitHub. But you can update from right here. It's on 104. You can check for updates and it'll update on. Connect to your internet, check for updates, which is cool. You can update from the device. No updates are currently available because I'm already updated.